My name is Brendan Kearns. I'm Training Director with Designer Group. I've been working with the company since 1996. I started my career as an apprentice electrician, and it's great progression to get to where I am now. We're seeing more women coming into the industry for a start. We're getting the schools more involved. The message is out there, like apprenticeship is a career for life, and you earn as you learn. When you go to college, you get paid. When you work with the employer, you get paid. So it's a great career.
I'm Mark Fitzgerald. I'm a fourth-year mechanical apprentice based in Blanchardstown in Dublin with Designer Group. Most of my friends went off to college and I chose a different path. And I was quite content with that path until I got a little bit older and I realised that it was only a job. It was not a career. So at 29 years of age, I started from the bottom. I went back and started as a first-year apprentice. I've always liked working with my hands, and this has given me a chance to do it day in, day out. However, it also let me use my brain. The doors that have opened for me since I began my apprenticeship have yet to stop. Every month, every week, there is some form of new opportunity, be it training or attending an event such as this. And I'm very thankful for that. If you go in to work in a shop, you work in that shop. You might climb the ladder to managerial in that shop, but you'll be stuck there. In terms of an apprenticeship, you start on the bottom, and if you're willing to dedicate yourself, there is nowhere to stop. Designer Group is willing to support me in terms of education and a career path so that I can actually build the future that I want. We made this A from materials that were destined for the bin, with the exception of the lights, as we had to have the safety guarantees that came with purchasing new electrical equipment. But all the copper and the wood was due for the bin. The wood was pallet boards and toe boards from scaffolds that we cut and treated so that they would be given new life. And that is what the apprenticeship is. It's taking something and giving it a new life. It's a start of a new journey. Part of the design that we thought and we input into this A was the words. They're words that bore meaning to us as part of our apprenticeships and our journeys through the apprenticeship system. And we put them in such a way that, like an apprenticeship, you have to move, you have to focus, and you have to figure it out in order to see the bigger picture. We had to work as a unit, and that's mechanical and electrical apprentices. We had to learn new skills. One of our female apprentices undertook welding courses in order to fabricate the frame. The easiest way to explain why we put the word family in is that to work and to build and to fabricate this project, we had to act as a family. Motivation and desire go hand in hand. You can desire everything that you want, but if you don't have the motivation, you will not get it. And that is like what leads us to this. We wanted to show off our skills. Designer Group gave us the option time and time again, and we've tried every year to show what we can do. In terms of personal growth, development opportunities, they're all presented to me as an apprentice, but it's up to me if I want to choose to follow them or not. And I've taken every chance that I can get to do everything. I've taken all the training courses that I'm open to. When I'm qualified, it opens me up to even more learning opportunities that I will grab with both hands.
Great to see the apprenticeship on the CAO. It provides equal visibility. It's not only during the college term, the school terms, it's open all year round for anyone that wants to apply to become an apprentice. We as a company and the industry as a whole is crying out for more female participation in all trades, plumbing, electrical, carpentry, anything like that. There's a need there, that we need females in the industry, and we encourage it strongly.